Roque from Veronique Pharmaceutical Inc. My area of responsibility is Quezon City. The characteristic is my content, storage manager, Ms. Lynn Bondet from the area of Manila, Ms. Adel Mendez from area of Cavite, and Mr. Jun Cabral from area of Quezon City. The reason we're here, doctors, is to introduce to you our product and our company, of course, Veronique Pharmaceuticals Inc. Why do we come up with the name of Veronique? Doctors, Veronique is a Latin word which means true wealth. Since health is wealth, our passion is your health. Doctors, of course, Veronique is less than a year old company. Of course, we have corporate setup, and to begin with, our company, Veronique, was registered in SEC on September 14, 2007, and LIPAD on October, together with the BIR on October 2007 too. We have a corporate office in the Pasig City, Boulevard. Of course, Veronique has a principle or operating principle. It is innovations are not created by asking what's feasible, but pursuing past their existing limits. Of course, doctor, what do we mean by that? Of course, we go beyond on what is new, what is already known. Of course, doctor, we are striving to offer you what's the latest and what's the latest data, materials, and information on the market. Of course, with the use of traditional concepts and traditional pharmaceutical concepts, and of course, with the use of latest information technology to the use of World Wide Web. Doctors, of course, we have our philosophy, which is our mission statement is that we are committed to provide you innovative opportunities through the use of e-business to provide you financial freedom. We will then gain the financial freedom. Of course, our first client, number one client is of course doctors, is you. With your continued support and strong knowledge in our product, we dedicate ourselves to provide you high quality of medicine that can enhance and improve the way you live every day. And of course, that's why we came up to our request to provide you high quality pharmaceuticals through the use of innovative opportunities through our e-business technologies. And of course, doctors, who we are. The Veronique Pharmaceuticals will be the first pharmaceutical company to provide electronic promotion, electronic retailing. Because doctors, we realize that you value your time. That's why we believe that through this technology, we will be here always with you and always at your service. And of course, doctor, pharmaceutical company that provide medical information on demand that is tailored to your specialization. And of course, doctors, we have our partners. Our partners, of course, is Lupin Limited. Lupin is one of the world's leading manufacturers of drugs that combat tuberculosis, bacterial infections, and cardiovascular diseases. That's our manufacturer. And of course, it has a headquarters in Mumbai, India, which is Lupin is a leading pharmaceutical company with a strong research focus. It has a program for developing new chemical entities, and the company has state-of-the-art research and development center spanning 20,000 acres in Pune. Employing over 180 scientists with over 130 patents to date, imagine that, doctor, Lupin, world's largest manufacturer, the strong research focus nila is for developing new chemical entities to gain better medicine for you and your patients. Lupin, of course, is backed up by successful 11 FDA certifications for 11 manufacturing facilities, and of course, Asia's only US FDA approved fermentation plant for rifampicin and World Health Organization certified finished products manufacturing facility for tuberculosis products. Doctor, as you can see, we always reiterate and emphasize to you the US FDA and the World Health Organization because, doctor, by having their certification and approval, we could assure you that the efficacy, safety of our products is well granted and well guaranteed. And of course, doctor, due to Lupin's contribution and commitment, you provide